Plant-based and digestive health benefits. The consumption of plant-based foods has long been associated with various health benefits, particularly when it comes to digestive health. A plant-based diet, predominantly consisting of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and nuts, provides essential nutrients and fiber necessary for optimal digestion and overall well-being. This essay explores the numerous advantages of plant-based diets for digestive health. One of the main advantages of adopting a plant-based diet is its high fiber content. Fiber is a crucial component of a healthy digestive system as it aids in regulating bowel movements, preventing constipation, and promoting regularity. Unlike animal-based foods, which are generally low in fiber, plant-based foods are rich sources of both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber absorbs water, forming a gel-like substance that slows down digestion, while insoluble fiber adds bulk to the stool, easing its passage through the intestines. Consequently, a diet rich in plant-based foods ensures a properly functioning digestive system and reduces the risk of various digestive disorders, such as diverticulosis, hemorrhoids, and irritable bowel syndrome. Moreover, plant-based foods are generally low in saturated fats and cholesterol, which are often found in high amounts in animal products. This low-fat characteristic of plant-based diets is beneficial for digestive health as it reduces the risk of developing gallstones and helps maintain a healthy liver. Consuming excessive amounts of saturated fats and cholesterol can lead to the accumulation of fat deposits in the liver, causing inflammation and impairing its functions. By substituting animal products with plant-based alternatives, individuals can protect their liver and prevent the onset of conditions such as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Furthermore, plant-based diets are rich in antioxidants, phytochemicals, and essential vitamins and minerals, all of which play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy gut. Antioxidants, found abundantly in fruits and vegetables, help combat inflammation and oxidative stress in the digestive system, thereby reducing the risk of developing chronic diseases such as inflammatory bowel disease. Phytochemicals present in plant-based foods provide additional benefits to digestive health as they possess anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. These compounds support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, which contribute to a healthy microbiome and enhance overall gut health. Additionally, vitamins and minerals found in plant-based foods, such as vitamin C, vitamin E, and zinc, strengthen the immune system, promoting gut health and reducing the likelihood of infections and gastrointestinal disorders. Moreover, the exclusion of animal-based products from the diet may also alleviate symptoms experienced by individuals with specific digestive conditions. For instance, individuals suffering from lactose intolerance often experience digestive discomfort when consuming dairy products due to their inability to digest lactose, the sugar present in milk. By following a plant-based diet, these individuals can avoid such discomfort and enjoy better digestion. Similarly, individuals with gluten intolerance or celiac disease, an autoimmune disorder triggered by the consumption of gluten, can benefit from a plant-based diet that eliminates gluten-containing grains such as wheat, barley, and rye. In conclusion, adopting a plant-based diet has numerous benefits for digestive health. The high fiber content, low saturated fats and cholesterol levels, and rich antioxidant, phytochemical, vitamin, and mineral content of plant-based foods contribute to their positive impact on the digestive system. The consumption of these foods promotes regular bowel movements, reduces the risk of digestive disorders, protects the liver, supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, and strengthens the immune system. Moreover, individuals with specific digestive conditions can find relief and improved digestion by following a plant-based diet. Embracing a plant-based lifestyle undoubtedly presents significant advantages for digestive health and overall well-being. And when in need of that perfect blender for meal prep and making that tasty smoothie, check out the section below. If this information on plant-based and digestive health benefits was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.